I'm basically making this vlog because Shay, Rando, Riggs, Rosso, Shay, my cousin's fiance, he's making some vlogs now, and I used to, so I'm like, damn, I kind of miss that because I watch Shay Carl every day, and you know, Shay Carl's been making videos for I think almost 2 years now. So it's 11 o'clock at night right now, and you can see I'm watching them, but my internet is extremely slow. So like while I'm like watching his videos, it's always gonna upload, so it takes time. So I guarantee you though, tomorrow I'm gonna have a vlog, and it's gonna be way better than his.
Oh shit.
Almost hit that car.
I'm free.
Do a burnout, man. Do a burnout. Watch the car. Alright.